Hey folks, we're back. We unloaded this beast of a safe, and I said it weighed 2,500 pounds, and it seemed like a little bit heavier than that, so I actually called Fort Knox, and they said this safe weighs 2,950 pounds, so we're just going to round it up to 3,000. So we're going to unbox this beast, and this is a Titan 7251 extra deep. So we're going to take it off here, screw. It's almost like unwrapping a Christmas present here. So folks, we got this unboxed. This is the Titan 7251 extra deep. This is a distress finish, and this customer wanted the redundant lock. So you got the mechanical and the electronic, hence redundant. So we're gonna see if we can open this up, and this is gonna have a pull handle on it once we get it installed. We don't like to put that on until we get it at the customer's house. So you can see how massive this safe is. And as I open this door, you can see this is one of the first safes we've gotten with the new Fort Knox fire rating. So this has a 2.5 hour, 1,800 degree fire rating. So this is a new and improved fire rating that Fort Knox is offering now. So this has a 2.5 hour fire rating. It's the Titan's known for the double wall construction, 3/16 inch body, double wall. It's actually a safe within a safe because it's got that AR500 steel inside. It's that second level of steel. So 2.5 hour fire rating. The safe within a safe, got the corner bolts that the Titan's known for. This particular setup is the collector edition. So you can put the max guns. I think it's 128 guns. And this has the mirror, which the film comes off of this, so it'd be nice and shiny. But if you have any questions about the Titan level, the extra deep, or any of the Fort Knox products, go to our website, which is right down there, thesafehouse.com, or give us a call at one of our 3 locations, and have a Merry Christmas.